TVS Group of Company. Job Overview. Location, Mahindra City, Chengalpattu. Departments, Machine Operator and CNC Machine Setter. Eligibility, open to both male and female candidates. Experience, both freshers and experienced candidates can apply. Age limit, 18-32 years. Educational qualifications. 10th 80. Diploma. B.Tech any degree. Salary compensation. The monthly salary or stipend is structured based on educational qualification. 10th 80. 17,567 ரூபாய். Diploma, 19,067 ரூபாய். Any graduate degree, 19,067 rupees. B.Tech, 20,317 ரூபாய். Overtime, Sogasmeli 156 ரூபாய் per hour. Work schedule benefits. Duty hours, 8 hours per day, operating in 3 shifts. Food, shift time food is provided. Accommodation, room available on a rental basis. Transport, cab facility available for routes including Chengalpattu, SUP, Kovil, and Thirukalukundram. Contact information. 9994199166